Avery, turn that down.
Hey Rubies, welcome back to More Than Rubies with your girl Tia Moore. I am the Tia Moore. Today we have something a little different, something crafty, something to get your creative juices flowing. We are showing you how we took these boring wood French doors and turned them into these amazing barn doors. Yes, y'all, we did that. So all the items we use will be linked in the description below. But yes, stick around, y'all. It's going to get good. This is going to be just a voiceover. I'll be popping in here and there to give you a little more information. But yes, y'all. And so if you have not already, please go ahead and head over to our Instagram page at ___ so you can get all types of good vibes. If that's what you're on right now, listen, we have all the vibes, okay? Make sure you check us out on our ministry page as well at iammore.net. There you can stay up to date on everything we have going on. You'll be able to subscribe to our blog. And yeah, sis, look around. You might see something you like. If you want, you can donate to our cause. So yeah, y'all, let's go ahead and hop into this video. liquid tape for the glass pane. We will put that on, get the doors painted, get the trim painted up here. The gray is the color that the doors will be. Then we are also will have to extend, excuse that burp, that's my husband. We'll have to extend the doors probably about 3 inches at the bottom, so there won't be a gap at the top. But yeah, y'all, it's happening.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break in. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break in. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn.
Okay, now we got the first coat of paint Then we got liquid masking tape here so that we can paint the inside of the door. That seems like that needs to be sanded down a little bit more. Hopefully it'll fit right under the doorknob, but we shall see. So, first coat. Well, Rubies, thank you so much for sticking to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed our barn door transformation. Now, if you have not already, please go ahead and subscribe to the More Than Ruby channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell right next to it so you'll be notified each and every time we upload. If you haven't already seen our first video showing you where the house started, please take a look at that, y'all. This house has totally transformed. We still have a lot to do, but as you can see, we are slowly taking it room by room. Stick around, we will be having a fall house tour here shortly. On this channel, we also talk about pretty much everything under the sun. That's the SON. So you will get motivation, you will get encouragement, you will get creativity. Sis, you will get all the feels here. So again, thank you so much. Also, leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you like the doors, if you're going to try it, if you've tried anything like this. And until next time, talk to you later, Rubies.